Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain how to answer this question. This is number 1 of type 2 of the assessment 1 on volumes and surface area of pyramids, cones, and cylinders. In this question, we are supposed to find the height of the pyramid and the volume of the pyramid. Okay, so let's see what we have in this question. So the information that we know is that the base is a rectangle. Okay, so the base is a rectangle. It looks like a rhombus or a parallelogram, a slanted parallelogram, but we have to consider that as a given information, the base is a rectangle. Okay, so if we wish to find the height of the pyramid, that means we're looking for this height. So how are we going to find this height? The key here is to construct a triangle. So this is the base of the triangle and then connected to the height of the pyramid. If you take a look at it, you should see the triangle inside the pyramid. So that triangle will help us find the height of the pyramid. Okay, note that this side of the triangle is just half of 15 because we constructed that from the center of the rectangle to the side BC. So if the side of the rectangle is 15, so that means this is half of 15 or 7.5. And then the height is unknown, let that to be h. And then we have an information, or we know that the slanted height is 16. So the hypotenuse of the triangle, the right triangle that we have right now, is 16. So how to find the height? Simply perform the Pythagoras Theorem, and that will be h squared plus 7.5 squared is equal to 16 squared. And h squared will be 16 squared minus 7.5 squared. And then after that, h must be the square root of 16 squared minus 7.5 squared. And from that, you should be able to get the answer. Okay? So the answer to this question is 14.13. So cm. Okay. And then, so we found the height. We can now find the volume. So the volume, as we know, is 1/3 area of the base times the height. So again, the B is the base area. In this case, it's the area of the rectangle. And then the height is the height of the pyramid. So simply perform. So volume, the base area is length times width. So we have 1/3 length times width. That's 15 times 9. So again, let's look at the figure. So that's 15 times 9. Base times height, or length times width. It's a rectangle. So 15 times 9, and the height that we obtain, which is 14.13. Performing the calculation through the calculator, this should give you around 635.85 or something close to this number. Okay, so this is the volume following the formula, and the height, which is 14.13. So that's how you solve question number 1.